Hi.
What's your favorite vacation country?
Monaco.
How many countries have you visited?
Well, I can't really count it because it would be like 1 billion countries.
On my video stop, it be like say I hear something. I be my ear they inch me. I bet computer take come back, make I hear and well.
How many countries have you visited?
Well, I can't really count it because it would be like 1 billion countries.
All my country people for this life, your prayer should be God, Baba God, and we never be poor in my life. Even if I wasn't born with silver spoon, my children will never suffer. This should be your number one prayer point. Imagine Davido's first daughter saying that she has lost count of countries she has visited. She made mention of visiting almost every country in this world. This girl indeed they live large. Omo 001 Davido, you know they find daughter again, make you come adopt me. I dey available. Hey God, omo money is good. Omo whoever talks say money no good, they need his or her brain to be examined. Now today I confirm say those girls where they marry for money, indeed they know they make mistake. They don't make any mistake at all for marrying for money, because they need that baby girl's treatment. They need their children's welfare to be well taken care of. They don't want their children to suffer. Hello. Watching this girl's interview today, I was so shocked. I say, Baba God, I will never be poor. Before we continue, make I play the full interview. Believe me, you will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. Make sure you grab your popcorn. Watch this video to the very end and don't skip any part of this video. Let's watch it together.
Hi.
What's your favorite vacation country?
Monaco.
How many countries have you visited?
Well, I can't really count it because it would be like 1 billion countries.
If you could ask for one thing and you would get it, what would it be?
It'll be like a race car for girls.
What's your favorite food?
Indomie.
What's one thing you're really good at?
I'm good at singing.
I want you to wish all the children around the world Happy Children's Day.
I wish all the children Happy Children's Day.
I beg now where you don't watch and say you sweet you. When I know say for my page, no document tell no bring news that they carry come. I beg, click the link on my bio. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Support your baby girl. You know the vibes now. Okay, guys, stay safe out there. See your one and only Imade Brågs. See you guys on my next episode. Don't go now.